of his empire. # 16. What is the significance of the sands in Ozymandias? A. They symbolize time and the passage of time. B. They represent wealth. C. They symbolize the king's burial place. D. They represent victory. Answer. A. They symbolize time and the passage of time. # 17. What is implied by nothing beside remains? A. That Ozymandias' legacy has endured. B. That only a part of the statue remains. C. That nothing is left of his empire or works. D. That the king's power is eternal. Answer. C. That nothing is left of his empire or works. # 18. What is ironic about the inscription on Ozymandias' statue? A. It says he will be remembered forever, but now nothing of him remains. B. It praises his humility. C. It is written in a foreign language. D. It speaks of his compassion. Answer. A. It says he will be remembered forever, but now nothing of him remains. # 19. How does the traveler describe the statue's face? A. A sculptor's dream. B. A visage of a man with a frown. C. A frown with a sense of power. D. A smiling, proud king. Answer. C. A frown with a sense of power. # 20. What is the role of the sculptor in Ozymandias? A. To depict Ozymandias' greatness. B. To carve the king's likeness with intense detail. C. To honor Ozymandias' memory. D. To create an image of humility. Answer. B. To carve the king's likeness with intense detail. # 21.